Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to discuss the topic how sound travels. Beta, sound travels through air. If we have to listen the beat of the drum, we don't put our ear near the drum skin because sound can travel through the air and the sound is carried to our ears by vibrating molecules in the air. This phenomena shows how the sound from the drum reaches our ear. Beta, when the drummer hits the drum skin vibrates rapidly up and down. The vibrating drum skin makes the air molecule vibrate forward and backward. These molecules affect the molecules next to them. The sound spreads out in all directions. Within a split second, all the air molecules will be vibrating and we can hear the sound when the air inside our ear starts to vibrate eardrum. Sound can move only when there is material medium to move through. Sound can travel through all the substance, whether they are solid, liquid or gases. The speed of the sound is greatest in the solids. The speed of sound in gases is 330 meters per second. Sound can travel through anywhere where there are particles, and more tightly and closely the particles are, the more fastest the sound can travel. Sound cannot travel through vacuum because there is no material medium in the vacuum. Between the sun and the earth there is a vacuum. That's why we cannot hear the sound that is going to be produced on the surface of the sun by the chemical reactions that are going on the surface of the sun. We can perform this activity to show that sound cannot travel through vacuum. This is a glass jar. At the bottom of the glass jar a vacuum pump is fixed. We have inserted the loudspeaker inside the glass jar. The mouth of the glass jar is tightly fit by a tight fitting bung, so that we have to make it airtight. Then the loudspeaker, we are able to hear the sound of the loudspeaker as long as there is air inside the glass jar. And when we start removing air from the glass jar with the help of vacuum pump, the sound of the loudspeaker gets quieter, and we are not able to hear the sound of the loudspeaker when all the air from the glass jar have been pumped out with the help of vacuum pump. This activity proves that sound cannot travel through vacuum. And if we allow the air back in the glass jar, we are again able to hear the sound of the loudspeaker. Next we have to do the test yourself. Question number 1. Describe how we hear the sound when a drum is hit. The answer is on page number 85. It will start from this line when a drummer hits the drum up to this line, including this diagram also. Question number 2. What evidence is there that sound travels through A. gases, B. liquids, C. solids? Beta, that the evidence that proves that sound travels through gases is that we are able to see all the sounds that are going on around us. They travel through air and then we are able to hear them. The evidence that shows that sound travels through liquid is that dolphins communicate by sending out high-pitched squeaks and clicks which travels through the water. The evidence that shows that sound travels through solid is that we are able to hear when someone is knocking at the door, and we are also able to hear the drum beat. Question number 3. Explain why sound cannot travel in a vacuum. The answer is on page number 85. It will start from this line. Sound can only move when there is material medium to move through up to this line, including adding a sentence because there is no material medium in vacuum. Thank you.